Let me ask you something. How many times have you sat down at your charts, stared at a dozen different indicators, scrolled through endless news feeds, and just felt completely overwhelmed? You have all this information, but zero clarity. You're stuck in analysis paralysis. And honestly, that's the #1 reason traders kill their accounts before they ever get a real shot. I've been there. When I first started, I thought successful trading was about predicting every single market move. I'd spend hours digging through time frames and trying to find the perfect setup. And you know what happened? I overtraded. I broke my rules and I let my emotions take over, and I paid the price for it. Back then, my chart looked like a Christmas tree. I had indicators stacked on indicators, RSI, MACD, Bollinger Band, lunar cycles. It was a total disaster. If confusion made money, I would have been rich fast. But here's the promise I'm making to you today. I'm gonna show you the exact 10-minute daily routine I use to manage capital for myself. This isn't about predicting the future, it's about preparing for high probability setups. By the end of this video, you'll have a simple, repeatable process that tells you exactly what to do every single morning. No guessing, just a clear plan. Because if you don't get this part right, you'll keep overtrading. You're gonna keep staring at that screen, waiting for some magic to happen. And when this pressure hits during your own account, a challenge, or a funded account, you're gonna crack. And this isn't theory. I've seen it happen way too many times. They have talent, but no structure, and it kills their entire career before it even starts. I'm gonna show you how to prep instead of predict. And that shift is what's going to separate you from every other trader that's still spinning their wheels. I wanna tell you something that's changed everything for me, and it's probably exactly what's ruining your trading right now. Traders are obsessed with predicting every single tick, trying to outguess a market that doesn't even follow their rules. You sit down, you load up 5 indicators, you read articles, and convince yourself you're about to catch the perfect move. But then one random headline drops or one large order hits and your whole plan completely unravels. Now you're chasing, your stop loss is gone, and your emotions are running the show. That's the moment when most traders blow their account before they even finish their first cup of coffee. I've seen it over and over again. It ruins talented traders by their addiction of just being right instead of trying to make money. That's the exact mindset that I had to kill, because the truth is, prediction is a trap and preparation is everything. Think of it like checking the weather. You don't need to know the exact minute it's going to rain. You see a 70% chance and you bring an umbrella. That's it. Don't overthink it, just keep it simple. In trading, that umbrella is your plan, your key levels, your session timing, your risk parameters. It's all locked in. You're not hoping, you're prepared. And if you're trading on a prop firm like TX3, the evaluation rules, those aren't restrictions. They're training wheels to force real discipline into your process. Because when you're actually prepared, you don't chase anything. You let the market come to your spots, or you stay flat. Some days, the best trade is no trade at all. The longer you trade, the more you realize this. The prop firm rules that you see, they aren't restrictions, they actually force discipline. That's why I love them. I remember early on, I had everything lined up on EURUSD. Fibs, divergence, support level, and I thought I nailed it. I went in heavy, way too heavy, because I thought my analysis made me untouchable on that trade. Then boom, price sliced straight through that level like it wasn't even there. And I had no plan B. That's when I stopped trying to be right and started focusing on being ready. All right, so if prediction isn't the goal, then what exactly are we supposed to be preparing for? Forget all the noise, the RSI tweaks, the MACD crosses, the Fibonacci voodoo. Most of it, it's just fluff. What actually moves the market are 3 things, just 3. We call them the pillars. Pillar number 1, time of day. The market doesn't move evenly throughout the day. It has a rhythm. The London session, that's raw volume. New York, it brings chaos and opportunity. Asian, quiet, and sometimes dead. You don't trade the same setup across all of them. Each session comes with its own behavior. Pillar 2, key price levels. Price has a memory. Yesterday's high, this week's low. Big round numbers. These levels actually mean something. They're not magic lines. They're where the banks and the big players make real decisions with real money. If you don't know your levels, you're basically trading blind. Pillar 3, the market mood. This is the story behind every candle you see. Is the world scared or is it confident? Is the risk on or off? You don't need to be an economist. Just glance at the market. It tells you what you need to know. Now here's where it all clicks. When all 3 pillars align, that's when you got a real setup. When you don't, well, you sit back and you wait. That one habit will save you more money than any indicator. This is exactly what I drill into every single one of my students. Process over prediction every single time. So now the pillars are in place, but what do you actually do with them every morning? Let me show you how to turn them into a clean, actionable 10-minute plan. So now you got the 3 pillars and the plan, but let's talk about why this actually works. Because I know that some of you are thinking right now, this sounds really good on a personal account. Sure, but how does it help me pass a prop firm challenge? So I want to make this very clear. This method was actually built for prop firm traders. Every rule we have at TX3, the daily loss limit, the profit target, the scaling requirements, they're not just rules. They're literally designed to force discipline, to push you into preparation mode, not prediction mode. That 10-minute routine is what's gonna give you a plan before the market opens. And that plan might be no trades today. That one line has saved more accounts than I can even count. Most traders fail because they feel pressure to take a trade when they shouldn't. But the truth is, most of your progress comes from trades you don't even take. The only way you know when to sit out is with a process like this. This routine creates consistency. You know what prop firms hate more than anything? One random, lucky 12% day. They want stability. They want to see that you've got a strategy that works again and again and again. This routine is that strategy. So when you do get funded, you're not panicking, you're just doing what you've done every morning already. I remember one trader, we'll call him Mark, talented guy. He blew 2 challenges before we even met. He was smart, but he was impulsive. We got him on the routine, just 10 minutes a day. Same questions, same focus, and guess what? He was able to pass the next challenge like it was nothing. His whole psychology flipped and it changed the entire game. He stopped rushing, stopped forcing, and started showing up like a professional. And that shift is what separates the top 5% from everyone else. But even with this routine, most beginners still blow it. Why? Because discipline sounds easy until you're staring at a messy chart. So let me show you 4 traps that nearly ended my own trading career and how you can avoid all of them. So now you've got your prep, you got your plan, now let's talk execution. The place where most traders fall apart. Your plan needs to be simple and emotion-proof. Bias, setup, entry, stop, take profit. That's it. Let's say your morning analysis shows bearish bias at 1.0850. Price is at a resistance. Mood is risk off. Your plan should literally say, wait for the bearish engulfing candle or rejection wick near 1.0850. That's your trigger, not a feeling, not a hunch, a visual confirmation that the market must give you. If it doesn't show up, you don't trade. It's as simple as that. Then map your trade. Entry after confirmation. Stop loss above the level that breaks your idea. Take profit, the next clean target, maybe the previous day's low or a clean round number. This is how professionals trade, and this is what prop firms like TX3 want to see. It's how you scale, and that's how you earn trust with real capital. But here's the part no one wants to hear. You have to wait. The trade either comes to you or it doesn't. That's what separates funded traders from hopeful gamblers. Because this is the discipline we care about. This is why the rules exist. Not to restrict you, but to protect you. When you're patient, your edge shows up clean. And the last step, you journal that trade. Win or lose, doesn't matter. You write it down. Was your bias right? Did the level hold? Tracking this data is how you're actually gonna get better. And that's how you build a track record that no one can take away from you. And a great place to do this is Market Memo. All right, so we've covered the mindset, the pillars, the plan, and the execution. If you're still watching this video, it means you're serious. So let me end with this. Stop trying to predict the market and start preparing for it. That's how you trade like a pro, not a gambler. It's a simple routine, a clear plan, full control every single day. If that clicked for you, don't stop here. Click the next video. Here's where the real growth starts.